Welcome everybody, it's Chris again, it's your boy. Peace, how are y'all doing? Back with another video again. Yeah, let's get into this. Today we're going to be installing PopOS by System76 into VMware Workstation Player 16. I hope y'all enjoy. Let's get into this. The first step we're going to do is you're going to type in PopOS, right? That takes you to this. Click this link right here. We're going to click that, then we're going to go to download, right? And then we're going to, okay, so there's two versions. We're going to click the LTS version. In a later video, I will explain what both of those are, so you will know why I chose what I chose. I don't have an NVIDIA video card in my machine at this moment. I have an AMD card right now. Sorry, NVIDIA fans, but NVIDIA kind of sucks right now. So I'm going to click this download LTS version, and then we're going to wait for this to download. All right, we're back. That finally got done. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to open up VMware Workstation Player as we did. We installed it in the last video, so now we're going to actually install something inside of this. So let's get with it. Create a virtual machine. We're going to look for the disk imager file, the ISO file. The disk image, not imager, image file. Ugh. Sometimes I'm stupid, y'all. Then we're going to choose PopOS, this one here. Click Next. Oh, wait. Oh, so right here. So you can create it with a blank hard drive. I don't care about that. We don't want to do that. Okay, now we're going to go to Linux, Ubuntu 64-bit version. Since it's built, it looks basically like that. I'm going to name mine PopOS. Just for because. And then I don't have any need to split it into multiple disks. I'm going to just do one single disk. And 20 gig right here is fine. That's more than enough. We'll do that and finish. Okay, then we're going to do this. We're going to power it on. Okay, then it's going to ask us to install. Now, look at what it's doing. It's going through, it's unpacking everything, unloading it all, so on and so forth. Here we go, here we go, here we go. It's doing stuff. Get her done. Oh my goodness, coffee's awesome. And then we are going to wait. Okay, here we go. So now what's going to happen is it's going to ask us to install the OS. So that's exactly what we're going to do here in just a minute. It's going to do that. There it is. English is fine. United States, yes. English US keyboard looks good to me. Yeah, that looks fine too. Clean install, because we want to erase everything and start over. We want just PopOS to be on this drive alone. Clean install. We're going to click the one we just created, the 20 gig partition. Then we're going to click erase install. Okay, you can choose a password to encrypt it, but I'm not going to because it's just a training video, so I'm not going to encrypt it. And then we wait. And we'll be back after this message. Hello, welcome. You may be wondering, why is he saying that? What is the message? Well, here's the message, y'all. Peace. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for watching my videos, and I am planning to do a lot more in the future. So, here's to you. Thank you so much. Peace. Welcome back, everybody, and now it has been installed. So now what we're going to do, we're going to restart this device, right? We're going to restart it, wait for it to come back up, and then we're going to, hopefully this won't take very long. I'm just going to let the video run right now just because I can. So let's just see what happens. Now it'll probably guide us through a setup because that's what it always does, as it's about to do right here. Okay, so we're going to, in this video, I really want to hit on that Linux is not as hard to use as it used to be, especially this distribution. It's very, very good. Very good. They have done a lot of work to get this thing right. Yeah, we're just clicking next through all this. Yep, that's my time zone. Skip that. We're going to call it Dude. Dude's a good username, so we'll go with that. Use that password. There we go. Next. And then I'm going to start using it. Okay, now. Well, here in a minute once it's done. Okay, now let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so now as you can see, it's installed. Everything is working. You notice there, here's your your workplace switcher over here. I'm telling you people, this is like one of the most phenomenal, let's do tile windows, one of the most phenomenal operating systems I have ever seen. It is, if it wasn't, honestly, legitly, if it was not for Call of Duty Warzone, I would not have Windows. I would be using this operating system. The only reason that I think that it won't work from my experience is because of the anti-cheat software. I've read in a lot of discussion boards, that's what they're saying, is it's probably the anti-cheat that's causing it not to work. So like you can see, they got all these little pretty tiles, and I mean, it's just the craziest. Like, look at this. USB flasher, screenshots, like it's simple. So simple to use. I love this OS. So there you go, people. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment. Until the next one. I love you, brothers and sisters.